I'm Wayne O'Keefe. I'm the warehouse manager here at Penrith Solar Centre. We refer to ourselves as the kitchen that feeds the beast. The beast being our trucks that go out and do the installation work for our customers. And it's our responsibility to keep those guys topped up with all the requirements that they need to do the job well. I've been coming up to nearly 2 years. Next month I'll celebrate 2 years here at Penrith Solar Centre. When I first got here, we had 6 trucks. We're now about to turn the key on 13 and 14, so we've doubled in our capacity and what we put out there on a day-to-day basis, week-to-week basis. We had to put systems in and procedures into place to make sure that we get the job right. We want to get the job right so our guys can get the job right when they go out there. The day starts off with a big clean up, in as much as the guys load their trucks first thing in the morning, they're out the door, and then we come along, clean up. We know every day we're lining up with Trina panels, we know we're lining up with N-phase micro inverters, and that is a simple equation for us. The only variables then become the customer's actual roof and housing requirements that we need to tailor-made. One of the values of the company that was given to me was the best or nothing. And there's no reason why we can't have that in a warehouse. We have a lot of pride in how we have our stock, how it looks, and yeah, it makes it easy to work with when we have it laid out these ways. They're all pointing the same way with the word Powerwall to out rather than anything different. It's just a quality factor that we like to be able to look at and say, that looks good. We look at their bays, we collect from their bays, and then on a weekly basis we award one bay as the weekly winner. And the response for a bag of lollies has been really, really good. And yeah, the guys are all creating a bit of competition between themselves. I think we can still work on and improve where we're up to at the moment. I always refer to it as wet cement. It's never totally set. Our inventory turnover, we want to be able to look at our inventory and make sure that it's there, but we make sure we have the right stuff. It's a big company, but I think it's a big family as well. And the enjoyment that you get out of the camaraderie with the people and a sense of feeling of achievement is what really makes my day. If you can do something and feel good about it, it's a win-win.